Making a short video to highlight an absolutely gorgeous, antique, solid 18 karat gold pocket watch that also has a solid gold, multicolored gold dial. Fantastic condition. So the back it's all nice and engraved, the dust cover. This also comes with an antique Bruguier style winding key, which means it's ratcheted. I'll show you how that works. It's a large watch. The case measures 50 millimeters in diameter. It also has good weight to it. The watch weighs 89 grams, solid 18 karat gold. Wonderful condition, and this is a very high-grade watch. So it's marked 13 jewels on the back. However, Swiss watches of this era, and this would be circa 1850, commonly did not count the cap jewels on the balance, and so they say 13 jewels instead of 15. And it also has the parachute, shock protection, and compensated for temperature. So really, really nice condition. All the hinges close nice and tight. Snap shut. It's a wonderful antique 18 karat gold pocket watch that really catches your eye. Let's see if I can lift this up to get a little better light. And I do have this regulated, so it keeps time to within about a minute a day, which is pretty amazing for a watch that was made in 1850. Take care.